Imagine an AI that can actually control your browser, clicking buttons, filling forms, scraping data. This is now possible, and I'll show you how. After this tutorial, you'll be able to build powerful AI agents using Claude Code and Playwright to automate complex web interactions, from QA testing to intelligent web scraping, all with precise control and real browser capabilities. The problem: why this matters. Manual browser tasks are incredibly time-consuming and frequently prone to human error. Traditional web scraping solutions are often brittle and break with minor site changes. AI agents offer dynamic adaptation. Unleash new levels of automation, intelligent QA testing, sophisticated authenticated data gathering, and dynamic web interactions previously impossible. Getting set up. Install the Playwright MCP Managed Control Plane Server. This is crucial for providing Claude's structured DOM access. Configure your Claude Code environment to seamlessly connect and communicate with the local Playwright server instance. Gotcha. Ensure correct Playwright browser driver installation and environment variables are set for your target browser, e.g. Chromium, Firefox. Core technique, step by step. Step 1. Write a Claude Code script to initialize Playwright, launch a new browser instance, and open a specified web page. Step 2. Instruct Claude to navigate to a target URL, e.g. a login page, and wait for specific elements to load using Playwright's page.waitForSelector. Step 3. Use Claude to identify and interact with page elements, filling a username/password form using Playwright selectors like page.fill #username myuser. Key variable. Fine-tune Claude's natural language instructions for element identification, CSS selectors, XPath, or text content for robust interactions across pages. Advanced tips and variations. Power user trick 1. Implement intelligent error handling and retry mechanisms using Claude's reasoning for dynamic web pages or network issues. Power user 2. Combine with Claude Code skills, reusable prompts, to create modular browser action modules like extract_table data or login sequence. Combination. Integrate with local file system access within Claude Code to save extracted data, e.g. CSV, or upload files from your agent's environment. Real-world results. Concrete example output. Demonstrate an AI agent logging into a secure dashboard, navigating to a specific report, and extracting key data points into a local CSV file. Time saved. Automate daily data extraction from 30 minutes of manual work to just 30 seconds of AI execution. Use cases: automated bug reporting, monitoring competitor pricing, managing social media posts across multiple platforms, or data entry automation. Subscribe to AI Tips for more practical AI tutorials.